Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday, yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes, another project finished on schedule. Behind us, we've got this most amazing home, but one thing that stands out from the crowd is its location. After a busy day, shopping, beautiful walks, there truly is nothing better than coming home to the comfort of your own home. It's the combination of this beautiful kitchen, its colors. Here we've got 3-meter high ceilings. Never be afraid to paint your ceilings, because it might just tie your whole project together. We've introduced this gorgeous wallpaper at each side of the telly, and you know what? It really works. Speaking of working, we've designed 4 custom doors. Let's take a look and see what's behind. This space has been purposely designed for a home office, a dedicated space. But what happens at the end of the day when you just want to get away from work? These doors really help you to get away from work and get your home back. A key part during the construction of this project was this area. See this steel beam? Our island is designed around this. And you know what's hard to believe? This is where the existing corner of the house used to be. Now complete, the kitchen, the island and the steel all tie perfectly in together. And overhead, we've designed the ceilings to be at a lower level, and that really gives the kitchen that intimate feeling. As I make my way into the kitchen, yes, we've got some gorgeous granite worktops, that big Velux overhead, but what stands out for me the most is just that view. You've got those big sliding doors with the fan light overhead, all the different colors. It really cooks up a storm. Now we're moving into the working part of this kitchen. Behind these 2 doors, we've got our pantry. In here, we've got lots of space. You can step in, and that gives you perfect access to everything. You know what I love most? I really love the woodwork and the grain and the color of all these materials. And in this bank of units behind us, we've done something a little different. To our left, we've got our fridge, and to the right, we've got our freezer. And right bang smack in the middle, we've got our coffee dock area. And underneath, we've got 3 perfect shelves. There are lots of steps in construction, but this area is exactly one of them. What's this big step all about? Don't worry. We're preparing all this area to have underfloor heating. So the next step is insulation. Then we'll have our underfloor heating pipes, and after that we'll be pouring our concrete liquid screen. Having these floors back level and with underfloor heating really gives the home that luxury feeling. To this side of the home, we've built a new extension. One of the rooms in here is a new downstairs bathroom. In this bathroom, we've added really important additional space. We've added a wet room and shower here. We've got tall ceilings. We've got that high level window, allowing all that natural light come spilling in. But check out the texture of these tiles. But most importantly, this room can now function perfectly as an ensuite for the new bedroom. Having a bedroom in any home downstairs really makes sense. But in this home, having it connecting to a bathroom that's a wet room really protects it long term. Do you know what? Building this extension to the side of the home really paid off. Across the hallway, right in here, we've got our utility room, and we've brought this alive with this gorgeous splash of colour. This room has got everything you need. We've got overhead storage, we've got hanging space, a working sink, worktops, and here we've got our washing machine, dryer, and we've got big storage space. After just 16 weeks of hard work, Sigma Homes is about to hand over another home. Well done to Mark, our site manager, Seamus, the team leader, and all the crew. Our clients are just 10 minutes away. Can you imagine how they're going to feel?